Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all, my beautiful souls? Friends, today let us see why a person is not communicating with you, or why he or she is not approaching you. If that person is transforming, or that person is realizing your love, then why they are not coming? That's the biggest question. Actually, I am telling you, Justice card, 10 of Pentacles, and 7 of Wands is coming. Because the reason your person is not communicating, because there is a lot of conflicts is going on in your person's life, in family or with the third party. Again, I am getting the same energy. Your person is having a lot of conflicts, and the Justice card is telling me definitely a person is thinking of approaching a legal matter. Through legal matter they want to get divorced. Either if they are already married, then they are thinking of getting a divorce, and because of that there is lot of conflicts in your person's life. Or if they are in a not committed relationship, then they are definitely thinking of ending this relationship with the third party. And before ending this relationship, there is lot of conflicts going on in your person's life. You can see how the conflicts are going on, either with the family members or with the third party. I mean, mostly I see that in the family. You just see that the 10 of Pentacles is generally a card of family. So I feel in the family there is lots of conflicts going on in your person's life. And Justice card is telling me that this is the only right justice you and your partner will get if they come out of this third party situation, or if they are able to take action towards you. That will be the right justice. But at present they are not communicating, because they are concentrating more on their family life, where they are entangled in conflicts, or in arguments, or all this kind of situation. There are lots of arguments. This kind of energy is prominent in your person's card. See, again the same card is coming. When a person told the third party, or the family members, that they are moving out of their life, or they are not interested in them. Let's see, the tower moment has come in the third party's life. Third party's life has become they have become very doubtful about the situation now, whether this person will come back or not, because this kind of energy is going on in the your person's life. So how they will approach, because it's big tower movement in their life at present. Lots of fights, and they have told the third party or their family members that they are moving continuous from so many days. I am seeing that the person is walking out of the situation, or they are moving to a new place. This card is prominent in your person's chart. They are moving away from things that are not serving them, and this thing is bringing a tower movement, complete tower movement in your person's life or the third party's life. And this has created a lot of doubts and confusion in the minds of third party. Lots of doubts whether this person loves them or not, or this has created a lot of doubts in the third party's situation. Now see what the further is going on. See, though the third party is trying to mend the situation, Temperance card is telling they are trying to cool down the situation, and they are crying a lot. Just see, 9 of Wands, how they are crying continuously. The sleepless nights and so many negative thoughts are surrounding this third person. They are not able to sleep at all, and because of that they are having sleepless night. Because of that, the person is also not having a peace of mind. Just see, Page of Cups, a person's heart is also open, so they know how the third party must be feeling right now, because they are a nice person. So they know the third party is not feeling good, and if this time they leave them completely and they to move towards you and start talking to you, that will hurt them more. So because of that, they are not taking action completely towards you, because the third party is crying a lot, and they are in lot of tension, sleepless nights, lots of negative thoughts, and a lot of negative situation, you can say. Though they are trying to mend the situation, but the situation is not coming in their control at present. The situation is not coming in your control. At the Page of Wands is the bottom of the deck energy. Of course they want to feel happy, and they want to move on in life, but they are not able to move on in life. Two of Wands, Ten of, just see, I'm telling you again and again, your person continuous, the same card is coming. This person first Eight of Cups card has come. Now again the same kind of card is coming. Ten of Swords. Your person is definitely moving away from the third party situation. They don't want to stay in this situation at all. Continuous from past 3 to 4 readings I have seen, this person is not happy with the third party situation and they are walking out of this third party situation. This is three of Cups. They are walking out of this situation. They are not happy in this situation and they have made a decision about this. They have made a decision about this and they have told the third party about this, and the third party is continuous crying because of that, because they have made the decision and they are so strong in the decision that they are not ready to listen, since third party is trying to mend the differences and your person is not ready to listen at all, because they have made the decision that they want to walk out of this. They want to walk out of this. They have told them, and again the third party is torturing them, or come back, please, this kind of situation, or texts and calls and messages. So this person is getting harassed. Your person is getting completely harassed. They have lost their peace of mind. They don't know how to tackle this situation, and because of that they are not coming towards you. They know if in this situation they contact you and the third party comes to know about this, then they will turn more wild, and to stop them from turning more wild, they are not taking action towards you. So the third party is crying a lot and trying to mend the differences, I can say that. But this is not going to help them out, because once the person is out of love, or they are not in love with that person, the love has gone, they can't do anything to bring that the person. Yeah, again the same kind of cards are coming. Strengthening bonds. The third party is trying to strengthen the bonds between them, but I don't think so, because there is lot of fear in third party. Third party is lot of fear and they feel that they have lost their love, or their true love, they have lost it forever. They are feeling like that. Third party is completely in this kind of energy. They are not feeling good at all, not feeling good, and because of that your person is not feeling good. Sixth chakra. See, again I am telling you, so many broken hearts. Your person is in this kind of situation. Third party is in this kind of situation, broken heart. They are having lots of arguments. They are having lot of fights. So in this kind of situation, how the person will think of communicating with you? First they will try to clear this clutter. They want to clear all these things that is going in their life, that this big tower movement is going on in their life. They want to clean up all those things, because the third eye chakra of your person is getting activated, because Archangel Metatron is working on your person. Whoever are doing inner work, they are doing the third eye chakra. This is showing result, and your person's third eye chakra is getting open, and they are thinking of adjacent possibilities. They are thinking of so many possibilities, so that they can come and approach you. At present they are trying to figure out what is the way to come towards you, and what is the way to clear this third party, and what is the way to make the third party understand that they don't love them anymore. That's the thing. That's your person. It's a very good thing your person is thinking about right now, I feel so. Yeah, your person definitely they knows that the third party is a completely false person, and they believe them to be their true twin flame or soulmate. But now they have realized that this person was wearing a mask, and this is not my true love, and the person wants to get them freed from this imprisonment. They feel like in the imprisonment with this third party, so they want to come out of this situation, and they are working hard. But the sudden wealth card is coming in a reverse position, so they are finding it difficult to come out of the situation. But they are definitely finding ways. They are thinking, they are searching for adjacent possibilities to come out of this situation. Okay friends, if you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.